This opening effect for your PowerPoint is simple yet visually appealing. The rotating, colorful ring adds depth to the visuals. You can also try a fun light-up effect. Also, you can experiment with a breathing effect. This effect is straightforward, with the key focus being on creating the rotating, colorful ring. Firstly, insert a circle on the slide. Set to no fill. Choose gradient line. Set the line width to 70. Then, add several stops, selecting a coordinated color scheme to enrich the circle's colors. In the effects, choose to soften the edges, setting the size to 20 points, giving the circle a diffused light effect. Duplicate this circle. Enlarge it to create an outer halo. For a more comfortable visual effect, adjust the line width to 50. Adjust the transparency of the gradient stops to a value that looks suitable to you. Next, select the large and small rings and add animation effects to them. Choose the spin effect under emphasis. Set it to start with previous, with a duration of 8 seconds. Then, open the animation pane. In the timing tab, set it to repeat until the end of the slide. Add the prepared text, and your animation effect is ready to go. If you want to try the light up effect, it's also quite simple. Duplicate this slide in PowerPoint. First, select the small circle and add a fade animation effect. Here's the key part. In the effect options, change the duration to 0.15 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Add a fade animation effect to the large circle as well. Set it to start with previous. Change the duration to 0.5 seconds and a delay of 0.7 seconds. Move the previous rotation animation after the new animations, all with a delay of 1.2 seconds. This way, you've created a light-up effect. Overall, these effects are easy to implement yet quite engaging. I'm Dream. Feel free to follow my channel for more fun content.